And as we continue our journey, we think of those who traveled before us. We stand again at the steps of this symbol of our democracy. And we see and hear again the echoes of our past. A general falls to his knees in the hard snow of Valley Forge. A lonely president paces the darkened halls and ponders his struggle to preserve the Union. A settler pushes west and sings a song, and the song echoes out forever and fills the unknowing air. It is the American sound. It is hopeful, big-hearted, idealistic, daring. That's our heritage. That's our song. We sing it still. For all our problems, our differences, we are together as of old.